if you like, take what I'm going to say in this video serious. If you like, don't take it serious. What that happened to this guy's channel will happen to your channel. Now, this guy lost his 2 monetized channel because of this mistake that he did, and that's what I'll be talking about in this video. Do you understand? So please, I am begging you to subscribe. It's very, very important. Subscribe and turn on notification sign. Now look at the biggest mistake that this guy actually did. He was running 2 channels, and for God so be it, he was able to monetize the 2 channels. Now the first issue he had with the other channel is this: after he got his 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time, do you understand, he applied for YPP, that was YouTube Partnership Program. He was able to monetize. YouTube accepted his monetization. Do you understand? So every other setting he did it, and he was not earning money. So the last thing left for him to do is to verify his address, so he can actually get his what? It's AdSense pin. I don't know if you understand, because if you do not get your AdSense pin after monetization, you will actually be making money, but you will not be able to withdraw your money until your AdSense account is verified and linked properly. That was now when you will now put bank account, so that once you hit your $100 threshold, the money automatically will be shifted to that bank account you linked to your AdSense account. Now, during this process, this guy was still uploading, was still consistent with his channel. So to the extent that he got $20 into that particular account, the YouTube account. So when the money was there, and please get this stuff at the back of your mind, that if you should monetize your channel today, your earnings will only be on YouTube. It will not be shifted to AdSense, because there is no AdSense account linked to your YouTube channel. So this was what actually happened to this guy. And normally it is general that once you hit your $10, your first $10, YouTube or AdSense will send you a message to verify your AdSense account. Do you understand? So when this notification was sent to him, he did not have voter's card. I doubted. He did not have voter's card, he did not have NIN, and he did not have international passport to proceed with the verification of the AdSense address. Do you understand? So along the line, very known to everyone, that if you are unable to link your AdSense account within the space of, I think, 3 months or 4 months, YouTube will deactivate your channel. Ads will not be playing on that channel again until you activate your account. So for the fact that this guy is too anxious to withdraw the $20 that is inside that particular account, so what he did is this: he reached out to a friend of his. This is the biggest mistake he did, and please, I am begging you, pay attention and do not repeat the same mistake on your own channel. So look at what he did. He reached out to a friend of his who is into YouTube. Do you understand? And according to him, his friend has 12,000 subscribers on his channel, and the channel is monetized. Do you understand? So when he reached out to this guy, he explained his problem to this particular guy. Then he asked the guy to give him its own AdSense address. Now pay attention. He asked the guy to give him his own AdSense address. So the guy was like, okay, fine, since you want to pull out that $20, I will help you out. Do you understand? So the guy has to release his own AdSense account to this guy. So the guy linked, this guy now that got newly monetized, linked his YouTube account with that person's own AdSense account. Now, linking your AdSense account is not the problem, but where the problem lies is this. So when the guy released the AdSense to him, the guy have successfully linked it with the guy's account. Now look at what happened. After 12 days of this particular guy using this person's AdSense account to link his monetized YouTube channel, the person, that's the friend he reached out to that gave him the AdSense account, got 3 strikes on his own channel. Now you know very well that if you should have 3 strikes on your channel, automatically YouTube is going to give you just 7 days interval for you to rectify the issue. And if you are unable to rectify the issue, you are losing that channel. In fact, you are losing any channel that is connected to that particular email. Now this is what happened to the guy. The channel was not deactivated. His own channel was not terminated, because the two are not using the same email. The emails are different. Do you understand? But for the fact that he uses this person's AdSense account, it is known worldwide that you can only have 1 AdSense account. You can't create 2 AdSense accounts. Do you understand? So now for this guy channel now to be on a safer side, if they should bring this person's channel down, automatically the guy will not be able to make use of that AdSense account, because as they are terminating the account, your AdSense account too will be deactivated. Do you understand? And there is no how this person can actually take out that AdSense account from his own channel. I don't know if you're understanding what I'm saying. So there's no how this guy can actually deactivate that account, remove it, and put a new AdSense account. Do you understand? So along the line, the only remedy they have for his own channel to be on the safer side is for that guy to deactivate the AdSense account. So once they deactivate the AdSense account now, that channel has been deactivated on YouTube. ADS is not playing on that channel again, because the AdSense account has been deactivated. And now there is nothing that guy can actually do, to activate the account, because if that account should be activated, the channel, the original owner of that channel, has been terminated on YouTube. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. That's the first mistake that this person did, that got one of his channels deactivated. Now what this stuff is saying in an essence is this: please, if you get monetized newly on YouTube and you do not have the criteria, don't bother. Just keep uploading the video and try work. Like, look for how to get money, if at all, to get your NIN, because I verified my own monetized YouTube channel with NIN, which means you too can equally do the same thing. Do you understand? So stop using someone's AdSense account. Use your own. So when you are having issue, you will know how to rectify the issue. Now, because of that, now something that did not even concern this guy, he has lost his monetized channel. Imagine the effort that this guy has been putting to work for ages has gone down the drain just because of this common mistake he made. Now, the second thing that got the second channel, or this guy's second channel, demonetized on YouTube is this: when this guy was actually uploading on the channel, he was doing compiling content. When I mean compiling content, like, if he uploads this video on this particular channel, he will do the same thing on the other channel. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. So he was like, interchanging the content, using this one on this one, using this one on this one. And when this guy finally got monetized, because there's one thing with YouTube might not give you copyright claim when you upload your video on YouTube. You will think that video is on a safer side, but when you want to monetize your channel, you will now see something like reused content. Now, when you get anything like reused content on your channel, it's not a copyright claim. But what the stuff simply means is this: it is either you uploaded the same video twice, like you are uploading the same video from another channel to your own channel without any editing being done on that video. Do you understand? Or you went straight to download someone's video and use that video automatically as it is. Now look at what will happen to you. Let's assume that you are the first person to hit monetization with that particular content. YouTube is not going to give you reuse content, but the second person that will try to monetize with that content will be the one to suffer the consequences. So it's very, very important that when you are uploading your video, or when you are running two separate channels, make sure you are running a different video entirely. Or if at all that you notice that this particular video went viral on this channel and you want to redo the same thing, don't copy the video as it is and re-upload it. Rather, recreate another video. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. So this is the update I have to bring to your table, because I wouldn't want the same thing to happen to this guy to happen to you. So it is better you pay attention and watch this video from very start to the end, so you do not miss anything. Thank you, and if today is your first time coming to this channel, do well to subscribe, like this video, and turn on notification sign. I love you guys and catch you guys on my next tutorial video. Bye bye for now.